Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. So today we are going to discuss a question which is reverse a linked list data iteratively. In this question, we have a list and we have to reverse this list according to data. Like we have data 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So what we have to do is we have to swap the data of these two nodes, and this node will not swap with anyone. So I will put a pointer here and one here. This is left and this is right. I will increase right and decrease right. I will run a loop while left is less than right, because I just have to reach here, because at this point I don't have to do any work. I just have to work till I reach these points. So what I will do here is I will just store create temp and store data present at left. Temp dot left dot data. Temp is equals to left dot data, and left dot data is equals to right dot data, and right dot data is equals to temp. What these lines will do is, here I have temp which will store 10 at the place of left dot data, and that means here this will store the data present at right. So 50 will come here, and at the place of right, temp will go, then 10 will present here. Similar task will perform here. 40, 20, 30 will remain same. So this will become my new list. That's what I want. So let's try to code. Left is equals to 0, right is equals to self dot size minus 1, while left is less than right. Then left will increase by 1 and right will decrease by 1. Before this, some task will be done. Temp 1 is equals to, in temp 1 I will store the data present at left. For that I will create a function, new function, that is get node at and I will pass self and idx to this, and then I will start from head, self dot head, and I will start from 0 while I is less than idx. I just have to move my temp to next and increase I by 1, and then I will simply return temp, so that there will be the data present at that temp in my hand. And now what I will just call this function self dot this function, copy paste, and pass left. I'm passing left so that it will return the data present at left. Temp 2 will store data present at right, and then I will perform those tasks which I have discussed on open board. Temp is equals to temp 1, which is left data, So temp1 dot data, and temp1 dot data will replaced by temp2 dot data, and then temp2 dot data will replaced by temp. So let's see if our code is correct or not. Let's try to run the code. It is accepting, and try to submit the code. Correct answer. So I guess you have understand the question and the concept which we have used here. You can try, and we'll meet in another question. Till then, thank you so much. Tata, bye bye.